yeah, but I'm going to miss it so well, I'm saying that. I want to do that today. What is that? Let me stop on this. I've got this up. I've got this. If in a while I'll get off what I'll say. I've got this up putty. I think glitter. I think it'll feel warm, but I think glitter in it. Put the purple, so I'll put it out. I put them together. But I'll just do the glitter. I really got. So that's the first side. Some of them were like this colour, like. This one got mini hyper thinking putty. It's good for crazy hours. You know, that way. You know what he said? He said to me, where is the horse? Yes, because the horses. Then I can really radiate them. I mean, radiate on. Cause here, there, two pink. We're like all pink, right? Because it's taking what it's all. I put a little bit off. It's pink. Chemicals are careful. Although it's not. That's the second one. Bob, I was around that was like, I don't know how that was. Was in country. I think this was. Got a student, Professor Marty. Professor Marty, student country, hyper, sensitive. I can't open it. Well, like, I forget what I put loads of labels on the back. Yeah, it's called Professor Pussy Unicorn Pig. I can glitter. I can't open it. I can't put the lid back on. Maybe one of my songs that I'll show you. Right. So, well, Professor Martin Genius Puppet Glitter. This one's purple. I go like five for a pound of these pill. I put pill guys. I got a purple one. I'll show you. I got these ones tied. I'll show you all of them. So the stuff I was in for the ball days come out. Something they do for this. But when you like, but when you like that you wanted something to say, this actually is so bad. You did want something for all the time. There's a purple one. I'm going to show you another one. So they're mostly just textures that got a red one, a blue one. This one first. Oh god. Green one. And and the yellow one. I put some glitter in the yellow one. My yellow one are the small things. Can't break it. It's not favorite. It's not enough right for all these symbols to guys up. But we had to, if I'm tired, one for FIFA or £5. That's all of them. So I just hope you enjoy. I'm going to show you. I made 200. Got some more. This is my first time of what I had to make. It's just smell. You got glitter in it. I really like it. But go for the first clip. Bye. Now I got this one. This one got my label on it. I could. You see that milk tea. It makes a noise when I click it. This go. Now you can just flick it. Or get it all over your hand. So, how to end the volcano? So, bye guys, hope you enjoy it.